All right, WMC, this is the video to determine the draft order for tonight's break number 8, which is the Wisconsin only treasure chest. So we'll check the time June 3rd at 9:41 a.m. We're going to go over to the break and type live. We have June 3rd at 9:41 a.m. There's the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then after the final roll, the order will determine the draft. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There is 6. All right, 6 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Josh, Chad, Jason, David, Chris, and on. So we'll get the draft order posted. Now at 6:15, we'll go live to open the box, and the draft will be around 7. So there is our timestamp, our verification code. Again, June 3rd, 9:42 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.